The stream be starting.
What's going on? What is up? Welcome to the live stream, guys. Appreciate everyone on here. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the live. Happy to have everyone on here. Bitcoin going to 101. That's great to see. But let's start the live stream here on many platforms. IG, we're going to be everywhere tonight. So great to have you guys on here. Look at the crypto markets. So let me know how you guys been, what you guys been up to, what you guys doing. But welcome, guys. Welcome to the live stream. I just started it a couple minutes ago, seconds ago actually. Lucian, what's up? Howdy. Thanks for coming to the live stream. Bitcoin just hit 101 as soon as I got on the live, so this is awesome to see. Bitcoin staying above 100K, which is great. Yeah, well, don't worry, we're gonna talk about XRP. Do not worry. But appreciate everyone on here and on TikTok. What's up, Digital Designs? What's up, man? How you been? Welcome to the live stream. We just started the live stream, so we're just letting some people get in. How are you guys doing on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok? Yeah, I mean, I believe HBAR already been popping, right? We can see right here, HBAR is the biggest gainer on the day. Up 25% already on the day, so HBAR has already been popping. At least on the daily, so just getting an overview here. Some coins are up on the day, down on the day. Virtual, some of the AI agents are down on the day. Small Biz says holding heavy on XRP. Yeah, man, that's great. Shout out to you XRP investors, holders. You guys are the real MVP. You guys are the real one. Trying to get to your possible exit strategy, if any, on XRP. What do you mean? You want to know my exit strategy on XRP? Is that what you're trying to say? Let me know if you mean that. Something just fell. There we go. My heater just fell. Digital says, good brother, let's get your thoughts on Ondo. Hasn't moved well in the last little pump. Yeah, we'll take a look at Ondo for you. Litecoin ETF. Yeah, we saw some rumors for ETFs regarding Litecoin, Solana, XRP as well. So very bullish for the markets. I'm thinking $6. Yeah, I mean, it depends, right? If we have certain events happen with XRP, I believe it'll go higher than $6. But, you know, $6 is not a bad target. You just can't FOMO back in, right? If you sell at $6, XRP comes back to 4 or 3 and then shoots up to 10, and you know, you can't FOMO back in because later on it will top out sometime and you'll be in a loss. So if you guys are gonna make a decision, you definitely cannot FOMO back in. But let's take a look here on our first coin of the night. Don't worry, guys. We're going to be taking a look at all your favorite coins. Bro, how's everyone going to get rich from XRP? How is the government going to allow that? What do you mean? You think? How is the government going to control that? The government doesn't care. And not everyone's going to get rich from XRP, right? Everyone holds a certain amount of XRP. There's people out there that holds a couple hundreds. There's people that holds thousands. There's people that holds 100K. So everyone holds a certain amount of XRP, and on top of all that, you also got to factor in when they sell. So you might hold 10,000 XRP, someone might hold 50,000. XRP goes to $10 or whatever. You sell at the top, and the person with 50,000 XRP holds it till it goes back to $3 or something. You see what I'm saying? So that's where the charts come in. That's where an investor comes in. So yeah, the L drop L eventually after FOMO. But yeah, let's take a look at Ondo. Yeah, Ondo has been moving, but it's not looking that bad. I'm still bullish on Ondo, right? You just got to be patient. once we start to have altcoin season really amping up. And look, Ondo, what it's doing is good. What Ondo is doing is good. It's basically building support at its previous top here from back in June, right, where we had that candle right there, the ugly red candle right there, back in June on the monthly. We're just building support right here to possibly make this a higher low, and then, you know, start moving up here going into February. So I'm bullish on Ondo. I don't think this is a dead coin at all. Yeah. But thank you guys for coming in. Don't forget to like, guys. Every like helps. We got over 100 people already on TikTok. You guys been killing it. Appreciate everyone on here at YouTube as well. Shout out to Pam, my moderator on YouTube. Shib and Pepe making an appearance behind you. Yeah, you guys like that? Look at that, guys. Just got that recently. That's actually a Pepe Pepe as Pikachu. It's hilarious. But yeah. Oh snap, Lewis, BTC broke through. Really? Yeah, it did. Yeah. I'm telling you guys, every time I start a stream, we start to move up. We were like around 100k Bitcoin, and now we're 101. Let's see if we go higher. Let's see if we break through higher. Yeah, I agree. I agree with small biz. I don't think the time right now is to sell XRP. Right? Maybe if you've been buying like in this, you know, under 30 cents, 40 cents, and you want to take your initial profit out, or, you know, 10%, whatever it is, based on your exit strategy, it's not a bad time to take profits. Never is. But I don't believe this is the time to, you know, the peak of the euphoria of the market. Is Cardano still a good buy at 111? I don't have any, but you think it will fly high? Great question by Alfredo. So is Cardano still a great buy, guys? That's the question. We'll take a look here at Cardano. I'm also interested in this question because I do have some Cardano, but not as much as some other coins. So I want to see if I should add more here to my holdings in Cardano. So look, looking at the structure, we can see right here, Cardano has a bullish structure. It does, right? We can see that we're in this long-term uptrend. We put in the higher low, beautiful recovery, and then we bounced off here beautifully at the previous top, which I believe was the bottom right there. You can see, look at that. We basically had a reversal from December. Boom, at least at the moment for January. So, you know, with all this in mind, Cardano is definitely going to go to all-time highs, which brings it to around $3, which is around, yeah, you know, which is around a 3x from where it's at right now. So I think it's still, you know, long term, I think it's still a good time to buy Cardano. Not gonna be I'm just gonna be honest with you. It's just that, you know, you can't buy right now, and then if Cardano goes back under $1 for a brief time, you end up panic selling or something like that. You see what I'm saying? So if you're gonna buy right now, which I think, you know, $1.10, $1.11, under $1.20, 90 cents, this range, this area is a good time to buy. You just got to be able to hold it till, you know, it goes to 150, 160, $2, $3 plus. So yeah, not a bad time to buy, in my opinion, still. And that's the thing too, guys, right? A lot of people are like, oh, Cardano's already way too high. Guys, you guys want to buy coins that are on the momentum to the upside, right? You want to buy coins that are doing something like this, that are on this bullish momentum, creating higher highs, higher lows, and continuing this bullish momentum. Why would you want to buy coins that are doing the opposite just because they're low? You see my logic there? So it's much safer. And plus, too, Cardano is one of the top coins, right, in the top market cap, top 20. It's in the top 10, I believe. So just my opinion, guys. Appreciate your feedback. True that on Cardano, agree. Thank you, Alfredo. Thank you, man. And great question. Been holding ADA since last cycle, so hope it sends. Yeah, I believe it will. I believe it will. You know, I think the most bullish scenario too would be if we get tax-free on Cardano, right, along with XLM and XRP, that'll definitely send Cardano to the moon for sure. But here we can see H-bar, the biggest gainer on the day. So this is why I say all the time, diversify, diversify. You got influencers telling you to just invest in 3 coins, just invest in whatever, you know what I'm saying, maxis. I'm telling you the opposite, diversify. You want to have at least 2 to 3 coins in each narrative. I mean, we saw 2024, meme coins were just exploding. And people that didn't have an exposure in the meme coin space, well, they missed out. I mean, I can't imagine not being in meme coins during that time when meme coins were going 10x, 50x, and just holding, you know, a lot of coins that were just not going up as much as meme coin, right? And now we start to see ISO coins outperform the market. So this is why diversification is key, in my opinion, and why you want to try to have exposure to each narrative. Can you take a look at Sonic charts? Yeah, we'll take a look at Sonic. Rick, what's up, Rick? Thanks for coming to the live stream, Rick. Always good to have you. Yeah, Sonic, right? What is this? Gonna take a look at Sonic. I'm trying to find the best chart here. I hate trying to find these coins because they always have the worst chart. I mean, look at this. Can they have a chart with all the history? It's just annoying. Like, how am I gonna do Sonic with just this, right? I'm pretty sure there's more. I'm pretty sure Sonic wasn't launched here in 2024. But yeah, usually coins like this. I mean, I found Get.io. So yeah. Oh, it actually was launching. It was at 2025. Thank you, John. Thank you so much for the gift. Yeah, like Sonic doesn't look too good, to be honest. I mean, look at that, right? It doesn't look too good. It's just been putting new lows, new highs. I mean, this could be the bottom right here. We can see that the past 5 months, it's been trying to hold this level, but I mean, it's just, it should have been moving up, putting new highs in with the market. So maybe it'll recover slowly. If you're bullish on this coin fundamentally, not a bad time to buy. It's just a very risk-on coin based on the charts. I'd rather play it safe and wait till it at least attacks its previous high before getting in. But that's just me. So yeah, Bitcoin at 101. Bitcoin at 101. Let's see if we can go to 102, 103 tonight in the stream. Leave a like if you believe it can. If you believe Bitcoin can go to 103, like the stream. We're almost at 1,000 likes on TikTok. I don't know how much likes on Instagram. And we only got 1 like on YouTube, guys. Come on. We got 32 people on YouTube, and we got 1 like. Don't forget to like it. Frank says, Sir Lewis, hope you're doing well. Thank you for always going live during the times of volatility. Anytime, Frank. Anytime, man. I love going live during these times. I wish I could go live during the day, but I can't all the time because I have work. But especially during the night when we have big, volatile movements, I love going live because it's the most entertaining times seeing volatility like this. So, yeah. Like I said, XRP, a lot of people have been asking me, when is XRP pulling back, right? They said that when it was around $2, $2.10, $2.50, you know what I'm saying? So what I always said during the past weeks was that XRP was looking very strong, and we can see that played out perfectly. You guys remember that. I told you guys XRP was looking very strong in the markets. It held up very well compared to other altcoins, and I even told you it was doing basically a bow flag, right? A bow pendant, and then boom, it played out perfectly. So I don't know. I don't know when XRP is gonna pull back. It might not pull back to a while. So, you know, and this is based, you know, XRP. I mean, we might pull back a little bit because we're basically at all-time highs here, right, from back in 2017. But even if we pull back a little bit, I don't think it's going to be a major pullback back to like $2, 170 or something like that. So just my opinion. Like and subscribe. Yes. Thank you for the reminder, Pam. Like and subscribe. And thank you, Pam, for reminding me. If you guys are on TikTok, follow me on YouTube. Follow me on YouTube. We got 36,000 subscribers on YouTube. We got 44 people right now. In case anything happens with TikTok, I hope nothing happens. But in case anything happens with TikTok, follow me on Instagram and YouTube. I will still be posting content and going live streaming. So follow me on there. QNT, please, sir. I got you, John. Take a look at QNT for John. Let's see if QNT have recovered here. Last time we looked at it, it was trying to break that 618, and it did. Right, so QNT is on the right direction. This is a nice recovery. A lot of people are calling it dead, and it's showing good signs here. It hasn't really flipped bullish just yet, but it looks like it's about to. It looks like QNT is about to flip bullish. This is its biggest point of control ever. Where QNT is right now is the biggest point of control, and by point of control, I mean the range where it's, you know, the most important range that it's at based on where it makes its next move, right? We can see right here, boom, right? And then it gets big bounce right there, right? Even when it comes down, it found support there, and then it drops. So what QNT needs to do is it needs to close above the 618 for this month at least, which I think it will. And then we'll probably see a nice explosive move here to 146 soon, leading up into February, right? Which then 189 and then 200. So it's on the right direction. And shout out to everyone who's been buying QNT during the fear when it was under $100. It's recovered pretty good, but it still has a long way to come back up. But it's looking bullish. I like what it's doing. I like the momentum is to the upside. Hey, Lewis, brother, AVAX Fibs, please. AVAX Fibs. I'll check AVAX. Thanks for coming to the live stream. Look, yeah, there probably will be. But like I said, guys, these crashes during the bull market, they're not very short-lived. Right? What do I always say? Buy the bull market dips until we until we have the big one, right, which we don't recover from. But you want to buy the bull market dips. The momentum, the trend is your friend. The momentum is on the bullish side. And what's going to happen is something similar to last bull market where we have a big dip. You buy that dip. And then the second big dip, you don't buy that one. Is that we're probably not going to recover from that one. That'll probably be the top. Frank says XRP have a pullback around 5 to 7, but it will continue to upside. Yeah, probably, yeah. I mean, I could see 5 being. Can you check out Orion Fibs? Let's check out AVAX and then Orion. And don't worry, we'll check out Dogecoin too. I'm gonna check out all your favorite coins, guys. Just leave a like. That's all I asked for. Let's take a look at AVAX first because you asked me. And Turbo as well. Don't worry, Frank. I got you a Turbo. Let's take a look here first at AVAX. These are the AVAX Fibs. You can see right there we held that 0.5 like a beast right there, and we're moving our way back here to break that 0.38. Right, so I'm very bullish. Well, what I'm most bullish here on AVAX, what I love about the Fibs here on AVAX is that you can see right there that 618 beautiful higher low. I mean, you had 5 months to buy AVAX here around 24 or 20 bucks, right? I mean, even 19, 18 bucks. And what's amazing, this is how you know AVAX is bullish. You want to know how? This is how you know it's bullish. You see how we wick under that 618, but we come back up, right? Wick, boom, right? The closing is everything. We can see that we closed really, really nice in there. And then we move to the upside. So that's how you know it's bullish. And AVAX is looking really good here for this bull market. 317, right? 440. We'll see if we hit those targets. I think it's very well possible, but we'll see. Jasmine, you mean Jasmine? We'll check out Chainlink. All right, what was the next coin? Orion. I want to say AVAX is a useless chain, right? AVAX is ranked. What is AVAX ranked? Like number 12? Number 12, right? And I believe AVAX has everything to be a top, the number 1 crypto gaming chain. So I want to say AVAX is useless. Orion. What's Orion's tag? I'm trying to search it here, but I can't find Orion. Oh, is it this one? Orion Protocol? I think I found it. I think I found it. Or is it this one? Orion Money. There's two. There's one on Gate.io called Orion Money and the other one called Orion Protocol. But let me know which. Until then, we'll do Turbo first. Let me know which one it is. We'll do Turbo here. Oh, Orion Protocol. Okay, I got you. Orion Protocol. Spot. Is this like a newer coin? Did this coin launch back in August? What's my take on Dogecoin? Super bullish. I'll talk about Dogecoin in a little bit, but I'm super bullish on Dogecoin. It's going to be its pro year. Okay. I think Dogecoin is going to break records. So I'll talk about Doge in a little bit. Let's take a look here. Orion. They recently did a swap to Lumia. Oh, okay. Yeah. I mean, we can see here with the fibs, we can have a lot of rejection here at that 0.5. So until we break that, we're bearish. What's good is that we, this looks like a higher low. If we break that, very bearish. But yeah, I mean, it's kind of neutral right now, right? We're kind of neutral. We're in a big point of control. But I believe it'll hold this higher low right here and start moving its way up here, breaking that 618. It needs to close above the 618 and then attack that 0.5 and close above that, and then it'll flip bullish, right? But long term, it's looking pretty good. Not a bad time to buy. It can't break $1, right? If we close under $1, that's bad. That's a bad sign. So yeah, regarding Dogecoin, guys, I'm super bullish on Dogecoin. I have a video on YouTube regarding Doge, but I'm bullish on Dogecoin, not just based on the charts, but based on next year, right? Next year, a snake year, 2025. It's gonna be a snake year, and guess when Dogecoin was launched? It was launched in a snake year. So I believe everything is adding up with Dogecoin in its pro year, and the charts are basically setting up for its pro year. So I believe Dogecoin is going to do very, very well. Okay. Very bullish on Doge. And you can see right here, I even got Doge right here. Bullish on Pepe. So yeah, super bullish on Doge. It's coming back here to 38 cents. Crow. A lot of you guys asking for Crow. Multiple comments on Crow. Yeah, we'll check out Track too. Don't worry. Crow. But yeah, if you guys want to be up to today with Dogecoin, follow me, because Dogecoin is one of my top coins. I bring you guys a lot of updates on Dogecoin. I mean, I literally made a video on TikTok where it was Dogecoin will do the unpredictable. You can check it out. It's one of my pinned videos. It got over 500,000 views. So yeah, so Crow is one of the coins I bought recently. Added more Crow in my portfolio recently here, under 14 cents. And even right now, 14 cents, I think it's a great time to buy. I think Crow is a great buy the dip coin right here. It was in my top 5 in my free alerts channel on Telegram and on Instagram. Every here and there, I'll put like my top 5 coins I'm buying right now, or I'm bullish on. Crow is one of them. Another one too, guys. Look, this is, if you guys still aren't in my alerts channel, which is free, okay, join. It's on Instagram and Telegram. Look, I posted this back here days ago. Crow. Okay, these are the coins that I'm buying. Crow. It's down 8% on the weekly. XCN, right? How much is XCN right now? How much is XCN right now? XCN is up. XCN is up like 64% on the weekly. It's up crazy ever since I put out those alerts. So, and these are all coins I am genuinely buying, right? Like this is XCN. I probably put out that alert when it was like around here before the big pump. So this is another coin I'm super bullish on, XCN. But again, join the alerts group. It's free. It's just like a broadcast channel. If you want to join like a community channel, it's my Telegram, second link in the bio. But the alerts group is also on the alerts channel is also on Instagram if you're on there. Okay, but Crow, I'm bullish on Crow. I'm very bullish on Crow. You see, it's in this nice uptrend, higher low, and it's gonna be a very pro crypto environment in the United States, and that's good for Crow, crypto.com, doing business here in the United States. So, yeah. My Telegram is the second link in my link bio. So my link bio, when you click on it, it'll look something like this. It's my link in the bio. My Telegram, which is free, by the way, 100% free, no tiers, no BS, and I'm super active on there, is right here, Cryptopolis. Join Cryptopolis, my free Telegram right there. You guys can join. All right, let's see. So, comment the next coin, guys. Really, Crow is gonna offer IPO soon? Wow, that's awesome. Should I sell my ADA? Look, you bought ADA at 34 cents. That's amazing. Congrats on that. SPX, don't worry, I'll do SPX. Yeah, look, what you can do, if you feel like, man, I should sell some ADA, you can take out your initial profit, right? And then, you know, you're not going to be losing in case ADA, I don't believe ADA is going to top out around this time. But just to be safe, you could take initial profits, maybe 5%, 10%. Or you can just stake it, let it stake like I am, and wait for the euphoric times. SPX, I got you with SPX. This is a coin in the meme coin space. Very funny coin. If you didn't know too much about SPX, it's basically a meme coin that aims to flip the S&P 500 in terms of market cap. I think it's a pretty big goal, but I don't know, right? Anything's possible in today's world. So we'll see. SPX. Morad also talks a lot about this coin. If you don't know who Morad is, he's really big into meme coins. I'm trying to find a better chart here. All right, whatever. All right, this chart's not bad. Yeah, so SPX. This coin is looking good. And like, even though we had a reversal here on the weekly, where we're coming down here, building support at the previous top right here, right where we basically blasted off here and we got rejected here back in October. So I'll be patient. I'll maybe wait a little bit, a couple days to a week to see if we start to stabilize. Maybe even buy right now. I think this is definitely the bottom, right? I believe even if we have another month, we're gonna start working our way up from here. So SPX is looking good. It's looking pretty good, like a good buy. So I'm bullish on it. Yeah, the reversal was due to max FUD, right? Yeah. So like I said, look, even though we have this reversal, guess where we find support? Exactly where it got rejected here. So we're basically flipping resistance as bull market support. That's a very bullish thing to do. And so that's why I'm bullish. So yeah. Yeah, Sui's been doing amazing. I'm happy I got into Sui. Even though I was late on Sui. I got it around $1.90, $2. But compared to where it's at right now, right? I mean, Sui's been doing amazing. Basically hit $5. And like I said, Sui has everything. Sui is reminding me of Solana from last cycle. Right. Can't believe Pina is on Coinbase. Yeah, it's been on Coinbase for a while. Yeah, it's pretty hilarious. But yeah, shout out, you know, I would say right now, guys, right now, the plan is to buy coins on Sui. You missed out on Sui? Okay, buy coins on Sui. Because if you didn't know, Phantom Wallet is going to add Sui very soon. It's already confirmed. So Phantom Wallet is going to add Sui. That's going to make it easier for retail people that use Phantom to buy Sui meme coins and dexes and all that. And if you just believe Sui is gonna do amazing, which it's been, and go up to double digits plus, well, that means its ecosystem is probably gonna do good too, right? So I think the key thing right now with Sui is to buy lower cap coins on Sui that you believe are bullish. And you can actually do that with Sui wallet, or also on the website, right? Going to send your Sui to your Sui wallet, and then going to dexes. But I'm telling you, once Phantom comes out, it's going to be easier to buy these Sui coins, and we're going to see this explosion in the Sui ecosystem. So you want to be ahead of the game, right, guys? Same thing with base. I'm super bullish on base too. I think right now is the best time to buy base coins that are on base. So yeah, what was it 2024? When was the halving? It was 2024, right? April? Yeah, right there. Was it April or March? I think it was April. Yeah. There we go. Same with Phantom in the new. Yeah, same with Phantom. Like any April. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I was just adjusting here for. I think I moved this by accident. So say like any layer 1 that you guys are bullish on, Caspa, Sui, base. If you're bullish on it, well, you should definitely buy lower cap coins on it. Meme coins or dexes, right? Dexes always do well. You see, look at Aerodrome. Aerodrome's been doing amazing on base. What do I think about Moonwell? Yeah, I'm bullish on Moonwell too. You know, I'm bullish on base overall, and I think Moonwell is a great infrastructure coin on base, and I believe it's gonna do very well. It's pretty low cap too. It's still, I mean, if you're buying Moonwell, it's still pretty early. Hey Lewis, how's it going? Have you seen the Caspa Binance hint? No, I haven't seen it. But what is it? Is it supposedly they're gonna list Caspa? What's been going on with that? Hi, what's up, Summer? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Appreciate you on here. What are your thoughts on Avalanche? My thoughts on Avalanche. You guys know me, the charts don't lie, right? The charts don't lie. And look, I'm bullish on Avalanche fundamentally too. My thoughts on it is I believe it's going to be the leader in the crypto gaming sector, right? That's the direction it's going. I mean, it already is basically with you know, these other coins connected with it. So, you know, as crypto game, I believe Avalanche is really going to start to go parabolic once crypto gaming starts to take off. And it's gonna, I mean, I could definitely see Avalanche coming to the top 10, maybe even just go to number 10 for a little bit, and then, you know what I mean, I could see something like that happen if Avalanche has a big run up here to $200 plus. But I'm bullish on it. I'm bullish on Avalanche and the crypto gaming. I think it's definitely going to be huge. Morpho, yeah, Morpho's another good coin on base and ETH. If you didn't know what Morpho is, it's basically like a lending protocol on base and also on ETH. But again, if you're bullish on base, look into Morpho. So it's not just meme coins, it's infrastructure coins like dexes and lending and all that stuff, DeFi basically. So Bitcoin just broke 101. Really? It broke 101? Wow, 101. Dr. Lawyer says, they said solving the blockchain trilemma. Yeah, I mean, that's what Caspa, you know, that's what a lot of people that are into Caspa say that Caspa is doing, right? Basically being a proof of work, scalable, decentralized. We'll see. I'm bullish on Caspa. It's one of my top coins. So we'll see. Is it time to sell crypto, as even taxi drivers are talking about crypto? Like, I wouldn't say it's a bad time to take some profits. It sure is. But I don't think it's the peak. I don't think it's the euphoric peak of the market. I still believe we're going to see... we haven't seen max euphoria yet with retail. Sir Maya says, why do you guys waste your time buying other coins and stick with XRP? Well, what you got to understand, Sir Maya, is that, you know what I'm saying, a lot of people want higher X's, right? And, you know, XRP is number 3. It's top 3. So it's really higher market cap. It's not going to give you the same amount of X's as something like, what are some other coins here that are lower cap, right? Even Shiba Inu, right? Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, IMX. I mean, there's a lot of lower cap coins here compared to XRP that are going to give you more X's. So that's why it's not just about XRP. Yo, what's up, Alsan Blake? What about XCN? Yeah, XCN. For you guys on Instagram, if you guys are in my broadcast channel, my alerts channel, it's free. I posted about XCN before the huge pump. You can see right here, days ago, has the time and everything. Also in the Telegram. These are my buy alert: Jasmine, Crow, XCN, BTCB, Foxy, and yeah, XCN has been, man. I mean, look at his chart. It's been up big, right? You can see right here. When I posted it, XCN was like right here. It didn't even break its previous high. And we just broke our previous high, putting in a new high, higher low. And man, XCN is looking amazing. I believe it's gonna continue this parabolic move. Even if we have short dips like this, bull market dips are for buying. We definitely will have a small dip like this, maybe, you know, not too short-lived, but it's definitely going to continue this parabolic move to the upside this year. So I'm bullish on it, bullish on XCN, and it's still pretty lower cap. XCN is still pretty lower cap. Market cap versus supply mix or breaks the coin. Yeah. Thoughts on SEC appealing the Ripple victory? Yeah, well, was it yesterday, right? The 15th? Let me know more about that, because I saw that with the SEC. And what's super bullish is in just a couple days, Gary Gensler is going to resign, right? We're going to see a very pro-crypto administration. It's going to benefit XRP and other coins. It's going to be amazing. So really bullish for this year, guys. Yeah, Turbo, Zcash. Yeah, let's check out Turbo real quick. Really bullish on Turbo. I still think Turbo is still a great buy. I've been buying tons of Turbo. You can see right here, Turbo. I mean, Turbo's gonna go turbo once Ethereum starts to run, right? It's an Ethereum-based meme coin, but we can see that Turbo it's been building support at the previous top right here that it had back in June. Right, we had this top, we broke out of that, and then we just building support, kind of in this diamond shape pattern, right? So very, very soon, I expect Turbo to break out of this and put in a higher high, putting in new all-time highs. So we'll see. Maybe Ethereum could be the leader, you know, moving up for that. But I'm super bullish on Turbo for sure. It hasn't affected the charts. Maybe the public think it's a weak move. Yeah, maybe, yeah. Hasn't really affected the charts just yet. I'm sidelined, bro. Currently just in USDT. What should I do? Harrison. Since when have you been sidelined? Did you sell at all? I mean, man, you should have been buying the last 3 years, right? Since 2022. But what you should do, look, I mean, I still don't think we're at the euphoric peak, to be honest. I'm not going to tell you to FOMO into the market. But if you've been sidelined, if you missed out the last 3 years, I would accumulate, you know, coins that I would focus on coins that look bullish on the charts, that have a lot more bullish potential to go higher. So an example is Avalanche, right? Is Avalanche looking good on the charts? Yes, we're putting in higher lows, right? We're doing something like this to eventually go and break new highs. So I'll buy coins like that, okay? I'll buy coins like Chainlink too. Chainlink's another great coin, right? I would avoid coins that look horrible on the charts, right? That are still struggling in bear market territory. I would avoid coins like that. And I would also be ready to sell very soon, right? Because I believe the top will be in 2025. So that's just my opinion. I'm just giving you guys my opinion on financial advice if you've been sidelined. But use this as a lesson too, to understand that you want to buy the times when people don't talk about crypto, like 2022, 2023, right? When it's a lot of fear in the markets. And look at that, we just hit 102, guys. 102K Bitcoin. Let's go. Keep liking, guys. Every like helps Bitcoin go up higher. So keep liking the stream. I appreciate you, bro. Anytime, Harrison. Anytime. So yeah, just focus on those coins. Again, you don't want to try to, what a lot of people do is that they're, you know, when they're sidelined and they're trying to get back in the market, they're looking for like low cap coins that are super low prices, and you know, usually it's not the best move because they're low prices for a reason, right? They're low market prices for a reason. They haven't really recovered with the market. So you want to stay away from like super risk on coins. You want to stay safer, but that still has potential to go higher. Chainlink, AVAX. And I still think a lot of these coins can go much higher. So I want to say you're too late. Right? Like Crow's another good one. I'll look into Crow. Crow, it can go to $2 plus. So I believe we're still going to have that explosion in the crypto market. The euphoric explosion. So diversified portfolio, question mark. What do you want me to explain? A diversified portfolio? Let me know. Yeah, Dogecoin looks good too. Even Dogecoin, you should have been buying Dogecoin under 10 cents. I bought a ton here. It's one of my main coins. I bought a ton here on around 6 cents, 7, 8, even 5. And then I bought more here around, 12, 14. But yeah, based on where Dogecoin can explode to, still not a bad time. So Zcash, yeah, let's take a look at Zcash. XRP can go to $20 plus. It's not. Like, I would not be surprised to see a $50 XRP 2025. Just being honest with you guys. I would not be surprised. What do I think about the graph? I'm bullish on the graph. I'll take a look at the graph very soon. Yeah, Zcash looks amazing, right? Zcash, one of my favorite privacy coins. You can see this is a nice rounded bottom. This is a nice rounding out here, nice rounded bottom, and we're getting ready here to kind of put in like a handle, right? Kind of like a cup and handle. So expect this dip to be very short-lived, right? The dips are not gonna. It's not like Zcash is gonna come back here to like $30 or something. It's gonna be a short dip, and then we're gonna start putting in new highs. So Zcash is looking very bullish. I think right now is not a bad time to buy on this short dip. You can see, look, you see these huge wicks back up, right? So Zcash is it's bullish. And you want to buy coins that are on the way up. The momentum is up. The trend is your friend. You want to buy coins that are still here. If Zcash was still down here, doing something like that, I'll tell you it's bad. I'll tell you straight up it's bearish. Anytime, Gene. Anytime. Yeah, I think XCN will have a pullback. But again, it won't be short. It will be short-lived. It's not going to be a big pullback, right? It's gonna be a short pullback. Thank you guys for the follows. By the way, if you guys are new to me here on TikTok, in case anything happens to TikTok, guys, follow me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram. You can either search Sir Lewis, or to be more official, because there are a lot of scammers out there and fake accounts, just go to my link bio in my bio, click right here the YouTube logo, or also the Instagram logo right there, and join my free Telegram. Okay, so join my free Telegram right there to be in touch. Again, my Telegram is 100% free. I have no like secret groups or anything like that. But definitely join. Yeah, what's the next coin we're checking out? Let me know the next coin, guys. Good advice. Thank you, Pam. 102 Bitcoin, 330 XRP. How much is Sui at the moment? Hopefully Trump will not ban it. But I like the graph. I think the graph is still an underrated coin here based on the charts. Not a bad time to buy. We did put in a lower high, but it doesn't mean it's bearish, right? We're still in this nice uptrend here, higher lows, and I believe it will hold the 618 and start to move up like that. So I'm bullish on the graph, and technically it is an AI coin, right? It's one of the top AI coins out there technically. So the graph looks good. The graph looks good. There you go. Except we reach $5. No, I don't think it'll reach $5 by January 20th. But definitely sometime this year. I just don't think it'll be that soon, right? Just a couple days. Lewis, can you check out Track? Sure. Jasmine, CeeLo, Velo. Man, don't worry, guys. I'll check out all your coins. Do not worry. I'm gonna check out all your coins. Let's check out Track real quick. Let me see if I can put a Fibonacci right here. Yeah, I mean, here we can see Track looking good here based on Fibonacci. You can see right here, we rejected that 618 right there. Boom, broke through it, rejected that 0.38. So it's following Fibonacci very strictly, which is good. Now we're bottoming out here at the 0.38, putting in a higher low to then go up and put in new highs. So it's looking good, right? The main thing here, you guys gotta understand, it's in this bullish momentum, this uptrend, right? The trend is your friend until it's broken. So it's bullish. It's very bullish. I like what it's showing. It might take a little longer to really start to move, but that's fine. That just gives you longer time to accumulate more of this coin. So looks good. Anytime. Jasmine. A lot of you guys are asking for Jasmine. You're getting multiple comments on Jasmine. I do hold this coin. It was in my top 5 coins to buy recently, and we can see why, right? Jasmine. I mean, Jasmine looks like it's about to break out very soon. We can see right here. First off, we have this huge explosion of Jasmine coming up with the market. That's your first bullish sign. That was very good seeing Jasmine do that. Then we go up with the market, but then we come down with the market and we put in a higher low right there. Very good. And now we're starting to move up with the market. So Jasmine is showing very positive signs. It's in this nice uptrend. Look, if Jasmine was still struggling like this, still down here, I'll tell you it's bearish. But Jasmine following the market, going like that with the market, is a positive sign that Jasmine has much more higher price action to come, right? It looks like it's about to break out very soon. We might have a big move up here to possibly 5 cents or so. So we might see 5 cents Jasmine very soon. Nizzo, what's up, Nizzo? Thanks for coming to the live stream, bro. By the way, if you guys, a lot of you guys that are following me here on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, YouTube as well. Sui. Let me know if you guys want me to check out Sui. Solana, please. What was the next coin? Yeah, I did Quan already, but I could do it. Yeah, look, we could be moving up here and to have a sell the news event inauguration day, right? That's a big possibility. I can definitely see that happening. But if we do have a sell the news event, guys, I don't believe it's gonna be like a crazy dump, right? I don't think it's gonna be like a big dump that lasts 2 months or something like that. I think it's gonna be short-lived. And you gotta understand, we have a pro-crypto administration. Trump is the first ever crypto president. There's so many rumors going around. So we, you know, since we got all these rumors going around of executive orders, ETFs, putting Bitcoin on reserves, all these things going around, the first day might come, or the first 2 days, and we might not see any of those things happen, and we might have a sell the news event. So it's very well possible. It's just that you got to understand long term, we're very bullish, right? Long term, we're very bullish. So yeah. Yo, look at Sui real quick here. We can see Sui looking amazing, right? Let's see if we can see her the weekly. So Sui, we hit $5. We're starting to come down just a bit. And we can see stochastic coming down to here on the weekly. So we might have some price. We might come down lower here for Sui, with bringing the stochastic down. But I believe once stochastic gets near that middle, right, I believe Sui will start to move up again, right? It's, you got to understand, when this coin has this very strong uptrend like this, especially when we have a big crash in the market, Sui didn't even flinch, right? It had this very fast pullbacks that was bought up like nothing, and it's been very strong based on the charts. This is what you want to see, and very bullish on Sui. I believe this coin can easily go to double digits very soon, and it's, you know, it's gonna be like that new layer one for this market cycle, like Solana was last one. My thoughts on AMP. Haven't really researched AMP, to be honest. I know they're like a platform for some type of DeFi or something. The charts look, it doesn't look too bad, right? We can see right here, AMP. We put in that higher low, right? We're in the uptrend. We might, you know, move up slower, put in a higher, a new low right there, and then move up slower. But I haven't really researched AMP. I know some people like what AMP is doing in terms of DeFi. But I mean, yeah, the charts, it looks pretty good. You just have to break that previous high right there from back in March, continuing this uptrend. So we might move slower. Ondo. I think we did Ondo already. I'll do it real quick. A lot of people bearish on Ondo, but look, Ondo is just basically building support at its previous top here. So it's not bearish. I think right now is a great time to buy. You can see we are green on the week, right? So I believe you can give Ondo a couple more days to a week to see what it does, if you want to be more safe. But I believe Ondo will hold this point of control, putting in a higher low, and start working its way up, right? Basically flipping resistance as support. So I like where Ondo is at right now. I think it's a good time to buy. If you missed out on Ondo, which was literally $2.18 back in December, so it came down a lot. You think you missed out on it, it's not a bad time to buy, right? You don't want to buy at the highs. You want to buy when it's pretty low. Thank you guys for the likes. You guys been killing it. Appreciate all the likes, guys. We're almost at 10,000 likes. All right, don't worry. I'm gonna cover all your coins. Let's see here. We'll have some unlocks. Let's see here was the first coin here that you guys are asking. ICP. Okay, we'll do ICP first because he asked first. So we'll do ICP first. So ICP is moving slower, but it's still bullish, right? I'll say Jasmine looks more bullish than ICP, but it's just the ICP is moving slower at the market. If you didn't know, ICP really started to run later on, right? So right here, when ICP started to run, Bitcoin was already up big, and then ICP would have went much higher. But the reason why I topped out there was because that was when the market started to turn around, and it was very short-lived. But the good thing here is the ICP moved with the market. ICP is following the market. That's a good sign. And we basically put in the higher low right there at the previous bear market resistance. Very bullish sign. And now we're on our way up. Now we're on our way up here to eventually break that spring high, which a lot of altcoins already did, but ICP, like I said, it's a slow mover. It's gonna move slower, but once it does, you can expect some big gains like it did right here. So I'm bullish on it. I think it's a good time to buy under 10 bucks. Pepe, okay, I got you, Pepe, don't worry. And Pengu, don't worry, I got you, Pengu, too. Take a look at Pepe. All right, so Pepe. So before we talk about Pepe, do not underestimate Pepe. This coin can definitely give you some more X's. It's already up big, but Pepe still has a lot more room to go. Okay, it's especially once Ethereum takes off, man, it's gonna go much higher. But what Pepe is doing is bullish, because we're basically building strength here at the previous tops, very similar to a lot of coins. You see right here, we topped out here back in May, and then we had Pepe had, what was that, a 66% drop, right? But then we broke that resistance, and guess what happens, guys? This happens all the time. Every time we got a big resistance like this, where we get a 60% drop or something like that, and then we just flat out break it, everyone's bullish up here, we're never going back. Well, guess what happens? We always come back for a retest, and that's what's happening. We're retesting that previous top right there. Yeah, Digital Citizen, thank you, bro. Shout out to Digital Citizen on YouTube. So yeah, Pepe, I believe this is a retest. I believe this is a retest. Pepe long term, very bullish. And like I said, this is Pepe's first bull market. It's one of the top meme coins out there. I think there's a chance Pepe could flip SHIB. There is definitely a chance where Pepe can flip SHIB. So we'll see. We'll see. We shall see. Elon's been posting about Pepe, really? Thank you for the follows, guys. If you guys are new to me again, I say this all the time, but if you guys are new to me, follow me on Instagram and YouTube as well. In case anything happens to TikTok, I'll still be live streaming on YouTube and Instagram. So yeah. I like Rio. I do like Rio. Bonk. Okay, we're getting multiple comments on Bonk. Bonk. Let's check out Bonk, one of the top Solana meme coins. Is Bonk #1 on Solana still? Or is that Whiff or something else? Let me know. Because Bonk is the coin that I hold on Solana. I don't hold Whiff or the other coin. I hold Bonk. It's my biggest coin on Solana. But I bought Bonk before the huge explosion. I've been buying Bonk here throughout the bear market before it did this huge explosion. So you know, I would say Bonk and Pepe are very similar. First bull market. And here's the thing. Both Bonk and Pepe, it held up very well on these drops with the market. Right? You can see right here. We had that first drop right here from back in May. We dropped. How much did Bonk drop here? It drops basically the same thing, guys. Look at that, 65, 66%. The same exact as Pepe. And very similar to Pepe, it's coming down here to basically build support and flip that resistance. So this point of control is Bonk's biggest point of control. And I believe it's going to flip it as support. So it's doing something very similar to Pepe. I think right now is a great time to buy. Since the highs, since the all-time highs, it's down. How much is it down? 59%. So not a bad time to buy. But I'm bullish on it. I'm bullish on Bonk. I'm bullish on Bonk and as a long-term uptrend. Yeah, and Bonk is very good fundamentally too. According to user 35, Bonk burned 50 million in supply. Wow. Dawson, what's up, Dawson? Pengu, okay, Pengu, I got you, Pengu, bro. No, I don't hold a lot of Solana meme coins. The ones that I do hold is Bonk and man, I forget the rest, to be honest. I forget the rest. Most of my meme coins, I hold a lot on base, a lot on. I hold Turbo, Pepe, Shib. But yeah, Pengu, looking really good. Ever since the launch, not looking too bad. We did have a drop here, but we've been holding this like a beast. Most likely, this is the low. So. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say this. I would say this is a good time to buy. It's down at the moment. It's down 28%, but it came down here to 40%. So I believe that's the bottom right there for Pengu, and it's most likely gonna start working its way up and recover. So not a bad time to buy. There's a lot of coins that are great, still great prices to buy. Oh, I do hold Floki, but Floki I believe is on Binance, right? Is Floki on Binance? XRP jumping. XRP still at 332. Popcat, yeah, Popcat's on Solana. Popcat's on Solana. Ochoa, what's up, Ochoa? XYO, I got you. Let's check out XYO for Ochoa. Let's check out XYO, which been holding up strong. I mean, I would expect XYO to make a big move very soon, right? You can see right here, XYO. We basically we're resetting that stochastic to come down, right? And we're already midway down there, so we might start to move here very soon for XYO with stochastic down here, right? And do something like that, work our way back to overbought. But we were very overbought right there. What's bullish is that bringing the stochastic down, we're basically coming down here to our previous top right there back in March. That's how I know we're bullish. We're gonna put in the higher low with stochastic putting in a higher low and moving up. So XYO is looking good. It's looking like it's about to start pivoting here from this area. So not a bad time to buy. You see that? So bullish on XYO. And of course, guys, nothing here is financial advice, just my thoughts. I want to say Dogecoin's hitting $1 next month. Is it possible? Yeah, but we'll see. We'll see. I mean, if we do have the euphoric, if the top is in the spring, then most likely Doge will hit $1 next month. But if it's not, right, we definitely have a much more mature bull market. So we'll see. Maybe it might take till March. Pam says Terra Luna. Wait, which? Let me know, Pam. Terra Luna Classic, Lunk, or just Luna? Regular Luna. Let me know. How does Solana look? Solana, let's see how it looks. Yeah, I mean, it's still holding up well. it didn't explode yet, right? Even with the rumors, with the ETF rumors, Solana really hasn't made a big move yet, but it's looking good, right? It's setting up itself really well here to make a big move. You can see we got rejected right there. We're starting to form some support here to eventually break all-time highs, break through all-time highs. And if we break through all-time highs, most likely we'll come down to reset it. Okay. Greetings from PR. What's up, Emery? Thanks for coming to the live stream, bro. Shout out to Emery on Instagram. Also says Shiba hit 001. I'd be happy. Yeah, me too. Me too. But one thing I would say is you better have your sell limit orders. You better have your sell limit orders set for Shiba if you believe it's gonna hit that. Because it might hit it while you're sleeping and go back down. So, oh, classic. Okay, Lunk. Okay, great. Yeah, let's check out Lunk. I do hold Lunk still. I'm bullish on Lunk. Let me see if there's a better chart here for Lunk. So this is Lunk. Still very neutral, right? But not bearish. Not bearish. Not bullish yet. But neutral, right? It's in a neutral chart right here in this neutral pendant. You can see, right? At some point, it's gonna make a big move, hopefully to the upside. But the good thing is here is that Lunk, we've been closing here, putting in higher highs. We just have to eventually make a move to break that previous higher high, and then we break that structure where if we can close above here our previous top here in November, that's when I believe we'll go up and break that previous high back in the spring. So it needs to do some things before turning bullish, which I believe it will. Okay, so I'm bullish on Lunk, even though it looks pretty neutral. I just believe it's gonna move slower with the market, right? It's not gonna move up. Let's say Bitcoin goes to 110, 120. It's not like Lunk is just gonna go crazy parabolic just yet. It's gonna take some time. You got your coffee to wake up. That's great. Is it morning there where you're at? I don't think Lunk will go back to 120, especially because Lunk is much more different from the original Luna, right? Much more in supply, but I think Lunk can definitely surprise, and that's why I hold Lunk. I hold a good amount of Lunk. So yeah. What platform do I trade on? I trade on BTCC. If you guys want to join a non-KYC, VPN-free exchange, join BTCC. It's my third link in the link bio, and you'll be able to get free crypto basically based on the campaign. I think it's around 20 to 50 around there using my link. But I like BTCC. A lot of people ask me what non-KYC exchanges do you use to trade, and what's crazy, guys, is that they offer 500x. I was like, what? 500x leverage trading? Obviously don't get into that. Don't get straight into that. If you're gonna be leverage trading, copy trade. They do have a copy trade option. Copy trade. Take your time. You know, maybe one day you can gamble a little bit with 500x, but it's just crazy because most non-KYC exchanges, they let you only do 100x and lower. So, but I like BTCC, KYC free. KYC is know your customer exchange. So basically you got to verify that it's you with your ID and a bunch of stuff. Kind of like Coinbase and Robinhood. Robinhood also does it, but it's not an exchange. But Coinbase does it and other exchanges do it to know who you are. Oh, it's 10 p.m. And you're gonna drink coffee? It's called BTCC. If you guys want to get free crypto, use my link in the link bio. It's the third link right here, the official link. BTCC non-KYC. And what's amazing too is you don't need a VPN. There's a lot of exchanges out there that you do need a VPN that's non-KYC. But use my link, you get free crypto, participate in the campaign. And like I said, there's a lot of lower cap coins on there that you're unable to get on Coinbase or Gemini, Kraken, Crypto.com. That's why I like it too. It's lower cap coins they can get on there. But the thing too, guys, if you guys are going to use BTCC and other exchanges, you don't want to hold your whole portfolio there. This is common sense, obviously, but you want to use it like what it's for. It's an exchange. So you go on there, you exchange coins. If you're going to be holding it long term, send it to your wallet. Send it to your cold storage wallet. And that goes not just for BTCC, but for Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini. So I think they get around it. I think I don't know what it is. I think there's some laws that allow non-KYC exchanges, like it's not just BTCC, it's some other exchanges too. Doesn't mean it can't change in the future. Like MEXC used to be non-KYC in the United States, and then over time, I think last year or sometime, they had to basically get out of the US. But if something like that does happen, there'll definitely be like a warning telling you, oh, you know, withdraw your coins at this date. And even if it does happen, you'll still be able to withdraw your coins. So I mean, same thing happened with KuCoin as well. Yeah, you can use a VPN if a ban happens too. So yeah, like if for MEXC or Binance and all those coins, you can use a VPN. Mike says, say I bought XRP today at $3. You think I'm good with the average? To be honest, no. Right? I mean, we literally just had three bucks today. Was it today or yesterday? I mean, we're at all-time highs for XRP. Right? I want to say that's a good average. I mean, you got to think about this. This is 3 years, right? 3 years right here. But then we haven't been in this prices since 2017. That's before the pandemic, guys. Like, that's insane. XRP is an old coin, right? That's before the whole world changed, 2020. So I wouldn't say it's a good average, but again, I could be saying this, and then next thing you know, XRP goes to $5, right? Which I believe it will, but I just think it's common sense, right? We haven't been in this area since 2017, and we can definitely have a big pullback here under $3, right? Which will obviously help your average. So I'll be patient. Look, if you missed out on XRP, there's other coins, there's other opportunities out there that are still at great deals, that are lower cap. XRP is the number 3 coin. There are much lower cap coins out there. Thank God I am in your group. Thank you, Jav. Man, thank you guys that are in the group, like Jav. And guys, don't be shy in the Telegram group. Comment whatever you guys want, crypto related, even if it's not crypto related. Comment anything. What do you, any coins you're bullish on? TA. Because it's great to see what you guys think. Hey, is it better to use a web browser for that exchange, or is it okay on mobile? For this one, TradingView. So TradingView, what I'm using right now, what I recommend, guys, is to download the program. I actually didn't think about this. I thought it was just a web browser, but you can actually download TradingView. It's much better. It's faster. It's better than the web browser on your website. But I would also get the mobile version. So I have it on my phone too. And what's awesome is whatever you do on TradingView, right? If you're synced, if you're on your account, whatever you do here, like I'm drawing this, it gets synced with my phone. So when I go on my phone, it shows the same thing. So yeah, I'll get it on both. It's definitely great. And look, if you want to get TradingView, you can use my link here. I believe you get like some free months for like the pro versions. But yeah, check it out. Oh, you're talking about the BTCC exchange? Oh, okay. My bad. All right, so yeah, the BT, they do have an app. So yeah, I would get the app. I would get the app unless you're more used to using exchanges on PC. The app is pretty easy to use. It's kind of like I don't know if you ever used KuCoin or MEXC before, or CoinCatch. It's very similar layout, but yeah, I would get the app. The app is pretty easy to use. BTCC, it's pretty good. Athena, let's see it. I don't think I even checked out that coin before. How do you spell it? Like that? Oh yeah, like this. Okay. So it's ENA, right? Is that what it's called? ENA? ENA. Is it on Gate.io? Yeah, here we are. All right, Athena. Yeah, I mean, this coin recovered beautifully, right? We can see, is this a new coin? It looks like it was launched here in April. But we can see we had a big dump. It had a, what was that? A 80% dump. But it basically recovered since then. So, yeah, this coin is definitely bullish. Again, you want to be careful with newer coins like this. That was basically launched last year. I don't know too much about the fundamentals, but I would be careful buying in right now too. I mean, it literally recovered back to basically where it dumped here. So you might have a pullback right before breaking all-time highs and really bouncing off, right? So we might have like a kind of like a cup and handle, do something like that. So long term I'm bullish. Is just I'll be careful buying right now, right? This might be a big resistance point, buying at the all-time highs right there. And H bar, Tyler says Ripple's making moves, donated $5 million to President Trump because they know this economy gonna be lit. Wow. Yeah, hopefully it reaches 100 sooner rather than later. Yeah, I mean, we see Brad Garlinghouse having dinner with Trump and all these things. So we shall see. We shall see if, you know, we're getting rumors now that it's gonna have an ETF, Solana, as well. So we'll see. But H bar looking amazing. Looks like it's gonna rip too, right? Like, I would not be surprised, guys, if H bar, XLM, and a lot of these coins break all-time highs very soon following XRP, because XRP is kind of like the leader, right? XRP is kind of like the Bitcoin and the ISO coins. You even saw this last time XRP moved past $1 plus. When XRP did that, there was a short window before XLM skyrocketed. So this happens. I mean, this happens so many times, and I could see it happen again. We already start to see H bar moving up nicely. We might see another parabolic move breaking all-time highs very soon, along with XLM and XDC as well. So yeah, but yeah, when prices go up, I'm a bear too, bro. 100% agree with you. Yeah, that's the thing. You guys got to remember to take profits. Do not fall in for the repetitive numbers. You guys make big gains this bull market. Take profits, guys. You want to sell at the top. You want to try to time the market. Sell at the top during the euphoric stage. Take those profits. I'm bullish on XCN. It was literally my top 5 alerts. Top 5 coins I've been buying. And it's up 64% on the weekly. But I'm bullish on its fundamentals, right? I believe it's VPN. It's dealing with VPN, I believe. Not at 100. They also have a deflation burn mechanism. And when 80 banks have agreed on using it, and they dump billions. Wow. That's awesome. That's great for XRP. So, and what's great is XRP has a limited, it's like Bitcoin, right? There's a limited supply of XRP, I believe. So Very bullish for XRP. Look, like I said, XRP is a special coin. It's hard to do a price prediction on it. But 20, 50 plus, I would not be surprised. Not be surprised. Especially if we see some groundbreaking news. So I'm bullish on XRP, guys. I've been since the beginning of this year. 40 cents. I put out a video telling you guys XRP would have its most bullish year ever. And if you don't believe me, I'll show you guys. For all the XRP haters, I'll show you right here. I'll show you right here. I was bullish on XRP when it was at 40 cents. Farcoin. XRP. Where is it? Let's try to find my video right here. Look at this, guys. 10 months ago. Look at that. Look at my video on YouTube, guys. Look at that. 10 months ago. That was back in February 2024. Look at that. You see that? By the way, how much was XRP 10 months ago? It was literally 50 cents. It was, look, you can go right here on XRP. What was it right here, right? February 2024. Right there. Right here. This is where XRP was. Right there. You see that? This is where it's at now. Right, so I posted this video. And let's see what I said. Right? Let's see what I said right here. I want to see what I said. Because I don't even remember. But let's see what I said in this video. What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about XRP, a very serious video on XRP. If you guys hear my logic and reasoning, it's going to be crazy. Okay, so please watch with an open mind. I'm going to be explaining everything, looking at the charts as well. You guys know I'm into technical analysis, and you know I try to break it down for even people that aren't into this. Another big thing regarding XRP that I'm going to talk about after I talk about research over it, but it's kind of crazy, so please watch till the end. But without further ado, let's take a look at XRP, that 50 cent range. Please watch till the end. Put it right there, and it brings you. So I was even giving you targets here, right? 20 bucks. Started pumping, started breaking all-time highs, and guess what XRP did? Boom, right? This is what I'm talking about for 2024. Now, does this mean XRP is going to break all? And then obviously the last situation is I could be 100% wrong, right? This might not have believe in Chinese. 18 was a dog year, horrible year for XRP. The first dragon year since bullish, right? Like I said, the charts, you know, I sold half my H bar and bought UBAX. Not bad, not a bad transition. So, but yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments. You know, it's good to research these things because explaining everything, looking at the chart, is going to be very serious. In my opinion on XRP, why I believe that 2024 could be XRP's greatest year, and it's gonna get better till the end. So please watch till the end. So yeah, watch the full video on YouTube. But yeah, not bad. Like a lot of coins like H bar, you're probably up big on the H bar, and you might be transitioning to AVAX, which is still down, right? Not a bad like I'm looking to do something similar with Bitcoin very soon, and even Ethereum. So we'll see. But yeah, very bullish for XRP. Let's see what it does here in the next coming days, especially for the inauguration of Trump. We'll see you guys. But again, thank you guys so much for the likes. We got 12,000 likes. If you guys are new to me on here, follow me on Instagram and YouTube in case anything happens with TikTok, and join the free Telegram, guys. Join the free Telegram, the second link in the bio. Join BTCC, non-KYC exchange. I'll be live again very soon. I love you guys. And thank you to everyone that came. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. And thank you, Pam. Thank you so much for coming to the live, moderating. Always great to have you on here. But thank you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one.